Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a seasonal collab with the Glam Elegant Living Society, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So I'm going to be linking below the co-hostesses along with the main host, their channel links, and also the playlist. So all we ask is that you full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see all the glamour decor that you can possibly see with these beautiful ladies and creators before the holiday season. So as you can see, we're doing a little bit of decorate with me. I'm setting the tabletop here to using to decorate this table are all items that I DIY'd, including the candy cane, so I can't wait for you to see that. And the vases themselves with the crushed glass is a sight to see. I'm absolutely loving these candy cane colors. I'm not really sure if I headed for that, but that's what we have. I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-hostesses for this collaboration. I really enjoyed myself. This is a beautiful group of women, very creative and very talented, and I hope you head on over to that playlist and watch all the videos. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and happy holidays.